This is my sweet little Sundance. Laying on my chest. He can't hear. He's from National Mill Dog. He's the boss of all the pit bulls. And I always wonder what he's thinking about. He's obviously feeling me talking, and something's going on. And he's definitely guarding me, and everyone knows he's the boss. So anytime anyone even comes near, he lets them know. It was one of our first rescues. My friend Melissa Megaflesh started me in animal welfare, and Amy Barnard years ago. And little Sundance can't hear, and he's sight impaired. He's laying on my chest, and he loves his mama. Hi, Sundance. Just taking in feels. Can't get any closer, can you, Sundance? You and Sweet Pea, huh? Yep, you and Sweet Pea. Sweet Pea's given up. She's gonna just let you take her place, huh? Little meathead. Yes. Yes. Pea. Sweet Pea. There's my girl. There's my girl. And there's... There's a happy dog. There's a happy dog.